Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Then go to the search at the right bottom and after that click at the search line at the top. Write SOUNDPEATS and click search. And you need to install this application what called SOUNDPEATS. Now open it. Click allow. Now if you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. And then agree and continue. Right now we need to sign in into our account or create a new one by click at the register. But right here you can also click at the register, the same when you select to create a new account, you can swap to login if you need it. And right here write your email and your password. And I just wrote it. Now we need to click login. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!